Good evening, YouTube. How you guys doing? Dirk here, GC Blues 45. Today we continue the team previews with the final team in the Metropolitan Division, the Carolina Hurricanes. So remember, if you come across this video and happen to like it, he went to hit the desk. Give me that thumbs up, duels. Very important. Helps to keep the channel going. And remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe icon. It's very important because you can be notified every time I upload a new video by clicking that bell icon. Now, here we go. The 2024-25 review of the Carolina Hurricanes finished with a record of 47-30-5, 99 points, second in the Metro, lost to Florida in the conference finals 4-1. They made it all the way to the conference finals, but lose to Florida. Okay, now remember, if I butcher any of these names, terribly sorry. If any of the players do see this, I'm terribly sorry for butchering you guys' names. I don't mean to. Here we go. Forward, Sebastian Ojo. Assistant, Jackson Blake, William Carrier, Taylor Hall, Jonah Joska, Mark Jankowski, Seth Jarvis, Jesperi Colt Kahneman, Eric Robertson, Jordan Mortonic, Assistant Captain, Jordan Stahl, Captain, Logan Stankoven, and Adari Sinovic. All right, defense. Jalen Chatfield, Shane Gus is Beherg. Here. Jake Sullivan, assistant captain. Shane Walker and Alexander Nation. Goalies are Frederick Anderson and Porter Kostovic. Losses: minor leaguer Raleigh Stallman, Dimitri Orville, Scott Morrow, and minor leaguer Yavis Pavis. Gains: Mike Riley, Nijoro Hellers, Nikolaj Ellers, minor leaguer Galvin Bay Earther, Cameron Premier, Caden Parmu, Oliver Knighton. He got a professional tryout. And Keandre Miller. Hopefully, Carlington does make the team. Hopefully he does. Well, with that, I see a B minus for this team. I give them fourth place in the Metro equals playoffs. Basically, they will get one of the wild cards. And when I do my picks on October 6th, who I think will win, I will decide. I'll choose what wild card they get. Okay. So that's it. We are done. Tomorrow we start with the Central Division, and it is the Nashville Predators we start off with. So, without further ado, let's put the grade on the sheet. So far, the lowest grade is a D minus still. But folks, there's plenty of teams left. Will I eventually give a team an F for their roster? Find out in the coming days. As always, folks, please stay safe, take care. Remember, the Lord's watching you. I'll see you guys soon. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the Nashville Predators. Until then, peace.